Hello guys, my name is Rakesh Patil. I completed my BE in Mechanical Engineering from North Maharashtra University. Today's date is 26 November 2021 and today's topic is data type in Java. Data types specify different size and values that can be stored in the variables. There are two types of data types in the Java. Primitive data types and one of the non-primitive data. The primitive data types include boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. Non-primitive data include classes, array, interfaces. Java primitive data types. In the Java primitive type, the Java language primitive data types building blocks of the data manipulation. These are the most basic types available in Java language. There are 8 types of primitive data types: boolean data type, byte data type, char data type, short data type, int data type, long data type, float data type, and double data type. First one is boolean data type. The boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, true and false. This data type is used for simple flag and track true or false condition. The boolean data type is specify one bit of information, but its size can't define precisely. Byte data type. The byte data type is the example of primitive data type. Is 8 bits assigned towards complete range. Its value range lies between 128 to 127. Include its minimum value is 28 and maximum value is 27. Its default value is 0. The byte data type is used to save memory in a large array where the memory saving in a most required. It saves the because of bytes 4 times smaller than integer. Can be used for places. Short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed to complete integer. Its value range lies between 30,768 to 32,767. The int data type is generally used for default type for integral values unless if there is no problem about memory. The long data type, it is used to need a range value more than provided by it. Float data type. The float data type is a single precise 32-bit IEEE 754 floating points. Its value range unlimited. It recommended use of float if you need save memory or large array floating point number. The float data type should never be used precisely value such value currency. It is default value. Double data type. The double data type is double precise 68-bit IEEE 754 floating points. The double data type is generally used for decimal values just like float. The double data types are also never used for precise value such as currency. Default data type char type use lies between the char data type is used to store character. Non-primitive data types. There are 4 types of non-primitive data types. First one is array. This is a data type used to store data in a consecutive manner. It can store any type of data as a size array. It also declared by the programmer. String. This is a data can use store consecutive character. Class are used to create object. They are very well mannered way merging different pieces of data into single object. Interference like dashboard or control panel for a class. It has button function for the data type defined, but the implementation is somewhere else. Thank you for watching.